Let's say, for the sake of argument, that you need to be able to have environmental variables in your BPMN apps. So, for example, the stem over a RESTful call that you can change from dev to QA to UAT to prod. Moreover, you want to be able to protect this, and you want to make sure that you're not hard-coding URLs or headers or passwords and so on into the various sorts of applications that you might need to build. This is where secrets come in, and this is how they work. You click into your cluster, and then you say, I want to create a secret. Say the base URL stem for a RESTful call. Then you name your secret, and you paste it and save the URL for the API stem. Now that you've done that, you're going to go to your modeler, and you're going to create a BPMN file. In the BPMN file, in this particular case, I'm going to choose a RESTful API that's followed by a UI that I'm going to use for debugging purposes. So I select the RESTful API, I go to the RESTful API's URL section, and then I will use the following nomenclature to actually refer to my secret. I'll use double quotes, I will use double curly brackets, secret dot the name of my secret, and then close that with double curly brackets. And then I'm going to go and write an expression to extract out the variable that's going to come back from the invocation of this RESTful call. In this particular case, that's a list of persons, so a person list. Now I'm going to deploy it. I'm going to run it. And once we do, you're going to see that it does in fact return a person list. You can do this to make sure that you're not just willy-nilly hard-coding elements that should not be exposed and can also change from environment to environment. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please let me know what other topics you'd like to talk about. I love feedback. I love comments. I even love a good argument.